It's time for another collaboration Sunday between Carl M. Jenks Poetry Corner and Bespoke Vocals. If you're new here, I will tell you how to sign up for Carl's weekly essay letter on poetry each week, featuring a different poet and their work after the poem. Tonight we have Santa Barbara Rain by Shirley Geok-lin Lim. Morning, after the rains, blossoms pop up yellow among their weedy tendrils. White in the citrus massy branches, scarlet burning bush plums budding, purple in the sage, and orange, orange, orange poppies to say, "Hello, California." These, like poems common on the page, lowly or showy, tall-sprung, spiky splurges out of succulence that survive on dew. Sky silent, sprinkled as surprised by rain, we forget our dry winter heat. Poetry needs rain in drought years, like creeks need rain to murmur, like dried sticks need rain to root, and roots to be the trees written in their memory. Like angels need rain to praise heaven. Like babies need rain to raise their sippy cups. Like the poppy needs rain to wave on its stem. Like I need rain to write the poem. Santa Barbara Rain by Shirley Geok-lin Lim. Thank you again, Carl, for engaging in this collaboration. Thanks, Dana Joya, for bringing us together as always. And, you can find Carl at www.carlmjenkspoetrycorner.com. As we know, those of us who've been watching, the live link for that is down below in the bio section. Please follow it. This week will feature Miss Geok-lin Lim's poem, and we'll find out more about her and read some more of her poetry. As for me, I will see you tomorrow.